Hey there, budding web developers. I'm here to help you master HTML elements and tags easily. Let's dive straight into it, shall we? First off, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the backbone of any web page you see out there. Now, HTML is made up of elements and tags. So, what's the difference? An HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. For example, here, the entire thing is an element, and the tags are the and. Let's talk about some common HTML elements. The first one you'll always see in an HTML document is the doc-type declaration. It looks like this. This tells the browser that we're using HTML5. Next, we have the tag. This is the root element of an HTML page. Everything inside this tag is part of the HTML document. Within the tag, we have the and tags. The tag contains meta information about the HTML document. Stuff like the page title, links to style sheets, and more. Here's an example. HTML. See how the title is inside the tag? When you open this HTML file in a browser, my first web page will appear in the browser tab. Cool, right? Now, let's move to the tag. This is where all the content of your web page goes. Text, images, links, you name it. In our example, the and tags are inside the tag. The tag is for headings. There are 6 levels of headings from to ki see is the most important heading and is the least important. The tag, as I mentioned earlier, is for paragraphs. It's a block-level element, which means it takes up the full width available. Let's look at another important tag. The tag. This is for links. It looks like this. HTML here. The attribute specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. When a user clicks Visit Example, they'll be taken to. That's a quick rundown on HTML elements and tags. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be creating amazing web pages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web development tips. Stay tuned to WebDev Chronicles.